Welcome back to the workshop here for the STIHL Focus On series. Today we're going to focus on just that, battery-powered professional blowers. To represent STIHL quality, it's all about how those components work hand in hand with one another, right? And
Precisely that.
To understand that, you've brought this fascinating sort of cut through, and there we can see all of the components.
Yeah, exactly. So this is a cutaway model of the BGA 250. So all our chosen components working in harmony together there. But the key thing here is actually all the connections to these components can be disconnected. So if there was a failure or if a repair needed to be made after an accident, you can actually replace all these individual components.
So they're not
easily.
glued down, are they?
No, they're not glued down. You just take them out very easily, click them back in place and slot that back in. But if you look at the mouldings here, you've got a round moulding, so there's no chance of kinking a cable in there. So it's really, really easy to work on and simple to work on to get the repair done in a quick and less costly fashion.
No sharp edges to cut cables or anything like that?
No, exactly that.
So that makes it more sustainable, presumably, because you don't have to replace the whole machine, just individual parts.
Yeah, exactly. They're not glued in place. And for instance, on the bottom here, these connectors, they're not soldered together. They're just crimp connectors, so you can easily disconnect them and then connect them back up again.
Absolutely brilliant. Fascinating stuff. So easy to repair, easy to get the right parts, the right components, and just replace one for one.
Yeah, exactly. Our professional users know they're STIHL approved dealers really well. So they have our support with all the spare parts should they need them, and they can they're fully trained to repair any of the tools to get the operators back on the road as soon as possible.
They've got the STIHL expertise.
Precisely that. Very trained by us.
Very trained. Another person who's got STIHL expertise is you, of course, Paul. Thank you so much for sharing it with us today. It's been a blast.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
And thank you guys for dropping by. Until next time, don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe to the channel. It's the only way that you can find out the next time Paul has got some insights to share. But until the next time, from all of us here in the workshop, take care of yourselves and cheerio.